Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to share LinkedIn profile. So for this I have to go first on your LinkedIn account. After that go to your profile and you can just tap on your profile URL and share to whom you want to share, or you can go for more and click on send profile in a message. You can share your profile by sending your URL, and now you have to just uh, type here the name of your friends or anyone to whom you want to share your profile. After that, just go for send. So guys, this is how you can share LinkedIn profile. uh, Hope this video helped you guys. If you did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.